Alright guys, remember when I bought this cart for my knives? Well, I got flashlights, all kinds of stuff in here now. Well, you know, it's not working out. I do love it, and I did use it since I posted that video every single day, but move this paper shredder out of the way. Now if you notice, it's up against the desk, and that is because it has the gangster lean. This thing is breaking from the weight. Clearly it's meant, you know, to hold colored pencils and crayons and craft stuff, some paper, whatever, but not for knives. All right, there's way too much weight in here. If I had to guess, the whole thing right now filled up. Knives, flashlights, miscellaneous. I got a junk drawer, some stuff. It probably weighs 70 pounds, 80 pounds maybe. So no good. All right, this thing's about to completely break. So I'm going to load everything. I did buy something to replace this. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit more storage. Very hesitant because of the price, but we'll talk about that as soon as I set it up. So I'll be back. All right, there it is. There's the new cart. So yes, I replaced the old cart with a new cart. The new cart is wood. Unfortunately, I have soft lighting in this room, so you can't really see any detail at all. But it's basically the same thing, only a wood version. All right, this one has 10 drawers. This one also has 10 drawers, only the bottom 2 drawers are probably 3 times the height, all right? You know, other than that, it's pretty much the same thing. Each drawer holds, you know, roughly the same amount of stuff. I mean, the drawers are a little bit bigger in diameter. However, the height is about the same. You know, what I would have here with the space in between the top of the next drawer. But sturdy, very sturdy. It's all made out of wood. All right, so this is more of a piece of furniture as opposed to just a little utility cart. I think it looks nice too because it is kind of like a piece of furniture. I could put it anywhere. However, here's the big downside, the price. $139.99. Okay, on sale, yeah, from $199.99. This is not worth $200. I don't think it's worth $139.99 either. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I happened to be going there, and when I saw it, I'm like, that is absolutely perfect. And I was really hoping that this was like, I don't know, $75 or $80, something like that. But hey, you know, can't win them all. It fits the bill. It's exactly what I needed it for. All right, I'm back. I realized that I keep flashlights in my pocket, as well as I have a whole drawer of flashlights here. So there's a shot of the front. Get a little bit more detail on that. Again, it's just like it's all wood. It's got a black finish, but of course the edges are like, you know, pre-worn looking or whatever. It looks nice. It's a nice piece of furniture. Again, not, you know, super happy about the price, but it is what it is. As long as I take care of it, have it for many years to come, that's all that matters, right? But yeah, let me know down below what you guys do for storage. But I am running out of storage. Too much stuff, so I'm going to have to go through here, probably do a lot more sales than trades, but, you know, out with the old, in with the new. So let me know what you guys do for storage. Thanks for watching. I'll probably give this to Christina. She can use it for craft stuff, which is nice. But I'm going to have to rearrange things. It's too busy over here. So anyway, that's it for now. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.